Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. It is the top of the year. All right, it is time to clean, diet, get organized. Everything that we do at the beginning of the years that are resolutions about getting back on track after partying all Christmas. You know I partied all Christmas. I had every cocktail, every cheese, every dessert. I ate it all, and I'm probably 10 or 15 pounds, maybe 20 over. And one of my favorite diets, I've been doing it for many years, is the Master Cleanse. Now, the Master Cleanse is not for everyone. Don't do it because I do it, but I actually like this diet because I like the taste of the lemon, the cayenne, the maple syrup. The Master Cleanse really is, it's hard. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say it's easy. It's hard. Not everybody can do it. The Master Cleanse is a diet about lemons, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, and water, and you do 6 to 8 glasses a day. In the morning, you wake up and you do salt and water to cleanse. You put about a half a teaspoon of salt, dissolve it in hot water, drink it down, then you start back on the Master Cleanse. At night, you use Smooth Move tea so you can eliminate all the stuff out of your body. And it's really good. Everybody needs to do a cleanse every now and then just to get the steaks, chicken, everything that we put in our bodies. We need to get it out and cleanse and restart. And January is a great month to start. So let me show you quickly how I do this. I cut all my lemons, and I get organic lemons. You can, I get them from either Costco or Trader Joe's. And I have my little juicer here. I love this juicer. I probably had this thing like 10 years, I don't even know. I've had it a long time. And like my t-shirt says, what does my t-shirt say? Won't quit till I'm fit. I'm always working out, trying to figure out how to stay in shape. I am juicing about 6 lemons. So the Master Cleanse is from the 1940s, and Dr. Burroughs came up with it for anyone who wanted to cleanse themselves of drugs and chemicals and just bad toxins in their body. And personally, it's been around a long time. I've been doing the Master Cleanse since my 20s. Anytime I really wanted to drop weight and clean my body out. 2019 is the year of 3, and it's the cleanse year. It's time to realign and put your priorities together on what's important to you. And everybody has their own goals. What I've done is, on the Master Cleanse, I've juiced about 6 lemons. And how I do it in my little handy juicer, I look at the measurement of where it's at, and then I put equal parts of maple syrup. Because the maple syrup keeps you from getting lightheaded. It's the sugar you need. So the lemon is the acidity and the cleansing out part. And then the maple syrup is the sugar that keeps you from getting lightheaded and sick, etc. And listen, I'm not saying this is for everyone. Please trust me. This is not easy, but it really does work. Cayenne pepper, and the detailed recipe will be on my blog on Allie in the Valley. Then I just take water, alkaline water I got at Trader Joe's. So I make it in this big pitcher. And then what I do is I pour it back into my water bottles. Okay, good luck with your diet. Wish me luck. I need to drop some weight, so next time you see me, hopefully I'm all fit and trim and got it going on. It takes a minute, but I'm working on it. I'm always a work in progress. For the recipe, on AllieInTheValley.com. Good luck!